Is your business still running on Microsoft Access and struggling to scale operations? In this case study, I'll show you how we helped a manufacturing company transition from MS Access to a web-based ERP-CRM system on SQL Server, and how our ongoing support continues to boost their productivity, profitability, and efficiency every day. Our CRM module gives you a clear end-to-end view of every sales lead. It follows each prospect from the very first touchpoint all the way through conversion, keeping all activity in one place. Leads can be tied directly to quotes or sample shipments, so the team always knows where things stand and nothing slips through the cracks. Hi, I'm Doron Farber from the Farber Consulting Group Inc. For over 30 years, we've been helping companies modernize databases, migrate to SQL Server, and build ERP systems that grow with their business. We added Ask ERP, which is a natural language data finder. We used AI automation to allow the client to have unlimited reports. The user asks anything in plain English and gets instant answers. Whether it's sales, production runs, or batch tickets with ingredient details, the system understands the request, finds the right data, and displays it in a clean, interactive grid. You may also create a PDF report from the generated data. The challenge. Our client relied on an old Microsoft Access system for production, inventory, and accounting. As their operations grew, so did their challenges. Frequent crashes and performance issues that disrupted daily workflows. Slow reporting times and simple data queries took minutes instead of seconds. Limited scalability as the database grew in size. Manual processes causing errors, inefficiency, and data inconsistencies. They needed a stable, scalable, and web-based solution that could evolve with their business. Our approach. We designed a step-by-step migration and modernization plan. Migrated all data from MS Access to MS SQL Server for better stability, performance, and security. Built a web-based ERP system that integrates production, sales, and accounting. Optimized SQL queries and data structures to handle complex reporting instantly. Provided real-time dashboards for decision-makers to track operations across departments. Implemented automated backups, version control, and role-based access for data protection. But our partnership didn't end at delivery. It was just the beginning. Ongoing support and continuous improvement. We continue to provide comprehensive post-implementation support to ensure the ERP system evolves with the client's needs. Our key support areas include proactive monitoring to identify and fix issues before they affect performance. Regular updates to keep the system current with new technologies and security standards. User training and support to help teams fully leverage the system's features. Customizations and enhancements as new business processes are introduced. This continuous partnership keeps their ERP system running efficiently and aligned with business growth. The results. Increased productivity. The client reported a major boost in their production process. Tasks like processing raw materials, managing inventory, generating quotes, handling batch tickets, and even accounting now take a fraction of the time they used to. As a result, they're processing more orders faster and maintaining higher output across all production lines. Improved profitability. With all departments integrated into one ERP solution, manual steps were eliminated. The streamlined process reduced waste, improved turnaround times, and directly boosted profitability. Faster turnaround time. Orders that once took several days to move from sales to shipment are now completed in hours. This speed not only improved efficiency but also strengthened customer satisfaction and the company's reputation for reliability. Takeaway. Database migration isn't the end of the journey. It's the start of transformation. With the right approach and ongoing support, your ERP system can continuously adapt, improve, and drive measurable business growth. If your MS Access, Visual Fox Pro, or any other legacy system is slowing you down, you're not alone. Many companies end up juggling multiple systems and re-entering the same data again and again, including into QuickBooks for accounting. We clean that up by consolidating everything into a single modern web-based solution that keeps your data in sync and lets your team work securely from anywhere in the world. Please visit us at dfarber.com or call us at 732-536-4765. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world database success stories from the Farber Consulting Group Inc.